behalf of South Central Railway, I once again extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries present on this occasion. South Central Railway is privileged to have Shri Narendra Singh Tomarji, Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Rural Development, Panchayati Raj, Shri Jaganmohan Reddy Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Suresh Angadi ji for Railways, and other dignitaries with us today at this function, which brings a new dawn in the lives of farmers in the state of Andhra Pradesh by providing the rail connectivity between the farm fields and agri-market. Kisan Rail, which is going to be flagged off today from Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh, is bound for Adarsh Nagar, New Delhi, is the first such rail on zone, and as per the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Kisan Rail was announced in the Union Budget to assist farmers in transporting their farm produce. In this direction, South Central Railway, as per the directions and able guidance of Honorable Minister of Railways and Shri Suresh Angadi ji, Honorable Minister of State for Railways, has taken the initiative to start the Kisan Rail. This is with the active support and coordination of the state government officials, including District Collector, Honorable MP and MLAs of Anantapur District. The railway officials of Guntakal Division held discussions with various stakeholders, including farmers and traders, which has helped in materializing the operation of Kisan Rail today. This Kisan Rail will immensely help farmers in promoting their farm produce in the national market for getting better price realization by avoiding en route damage and ensure fast transportation. I am happy to share that the inaugural train is demand based. Farmers and traders have indicated the requirement of such trains almost on a daily basis, particularly during the harvesting period. On this occasion, on behalf of South Central Railway, I assure that Railways will extend all possible assistance to the farmers and trading community for a hassle-free, safe and reliable transportation of farm produce by Kisan Rail. I once again welcome all the dignitaries to the function, and I sincerely thank one and all for sparing their valuable time and gracing the occasion. Thank you very much. Jai Hind and Jai Kisan.
Thank you, sir. We now request Shri T. Rangaya Garu, Honorable Member of Parliament from Anantapur, to please speak a few words on this occasion.
Namaskar to all. To our beloved leader and mentor, Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy Garu, Honorable Union Minister, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar ji, Honorable Ministers of State, Suresh Angadi ji, Purushottam Rupal ji, Kailash Chaudhary ji, and State Ministers Botsa Satyanarayana Garu, Kannababu Garu, Shankar Narayana Garu, South Central Railway, District Collector and DRM, and all my party colleagues, farmers, traders, and horticulture and agriculture officials, press, particularly electronic media and print media, who gave wide exposure to this Kisan Rail. Today I am so happy on this auspicious occasion of Kisan Rail flag off ceremony. It is a great move for farmers of Anantapur district. This is also establishment for railways and horticulture and agriculture departments. Kisan Rail from Anantapur to New Delhi is the country's second Kisan Rail which is going to be flag off. Few months back under leadership and guidance of Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy Garu, I plead the Prime Minister and Railway Minister to start Kisan Rail from Andhra Pradesh to New Delhi, which was accepted my proposal and agreed to run Kisan Rail within no time. I am very grateful for that. As we are aware that Anantapur is the fruit bowl of the Andhra Pradesh state. Fruits and vegetables of Anantapur district are known for its taste, quality, texture and color. More than 58 lakhs metric tons are growing here. If we set consumption for only 5 to 6 tons only consuming here, that means 90% of produce has to go far away and being marketed in public places. Anantapur tomatoes, particularly sweet lime, bananas, pomegranates, grapes, papaya, melons, are being marketed in faraway places, particularly Nagpur, Jaipur, Jabalpur and New Delhi. Generally, it takes 5 to 7 days by road to transport these perishable goods for New Delhi.
It is a highly risky journey and dangerous journey for our farmers and traders to travel such a long distance by trucks. Sometimes deadly accidents are also happening, which create huge loss of families, of livelihoods and lives of the families. Not only this, but large quantity of the commodity which is getting spoiled while on transit due to long distance journey. But now all these problems, the only unique solution Senachia is the Kisan Rail. I hope with this Kisan Rail, the issues expected to get resolved. Right now, we are planning to run one Kisan Rail weekly. From now October onwards, it will run daily. No doubt, Kisan Rail is the biggest boon to local farmers. But only one issue is there. If we compare the transport and charges of Kisan Rail and trucks, there is no much difference in price. Moreover, trucks will go directly from fields to markets. But when it comes to Kisan Rail, the cost will be doubled for the farmers, since they have to pay transport charges and both for trucks and rail. In this case, Kisan Rail, farmers also have to pay in advance the entire transportation charges. In this regard, I request railway authorities to reduce at least 50% of these transport charges in the interest of the farmers. I also request the railway authorities to contribute to the government of India's aim to double the income of the farmers. Once again, I convey my gratitude on behalf of my district farmers to Honorable Chief Minister and the Union Minister of Agriculture and Railways. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind and Jai Kisan. Namaskar.
I request Sri Suresh G. Angadi ji, Honorable Minister of State for Railways, Government of India, please address and guide us.
Sri Narendra Singh Tomar ji, Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Rural Development, Panchayat Raj, Government of India, and young and dynamic Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Garu Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, my colleague Sri Purushottam Rupala ji, Honorable Minister of State Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Sri Kailash Chaudhary ji, Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Sri B. Satyanarayan Garu, Honorable Minister for Municipal and Administration, Urban Development, Anantapur District In Charge Minister, Andhra Pradesh Government, Sri Shankar Narayana Garu, Honorable Minister for Roads and Buildings, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Kanna Babu Garu, Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Cooperation, Marketing, Food Processing, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri T. Rangaya Garu, Honorable Member of Parliament, Anantapur, Sri V. Gopal Reddy Garu, of Legislative Council, Venkatramaya Reddy Garu, Honorable Member of Legislative Council, Anantapur, Punendru Mishra ji, Sri Gajan Malya ji, and other dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate with the auspicious hands of the Honorable Sri Narendra Singh Tomar ji a Kisan Rail. The Honorable Prime Minister's vision is there. The Kisan must get the double income by 2022. In the budget, Honorable Prime Minister announced Kisan Rail especially for the farmers. When earlier days there were no roads to the farmers feel to cities. When Atal Bihari Vajpayee became the Prime Minister, Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, from farm to cities the vegetables used to come and the people used to get the better vegetables and other agriculture produces. After that, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra has taken the vision. The railways should just, our Honorable MP Garu has said, take 4 to 5 days to reach Delhi or other places. Many agriculture products get spoiled by this travelling. So it is the arrangement made by the Honorable Minister and our Honorable Minister Sri Railways Sri Piyush Goyal ji. The Railways is fully working day and night to increase the income of the farmers. In the coming days, the farmers should get the double income. So it is not only by saying it will not happen. And the farmers can sell his product wherever he gets the better price, then he will get the better price. Now, by road it takes about 36 to 48 hours. By railways, without getting spoiled, we can transport these goods to the Delhi and other parts of the country. So, today it is a great pleasure under the young dynamic leader of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, requested for the increase of the farmers' income double. So, we are starting now, and railways working for this day and night. Kisan Rail, various destinations from northern east to western part of the country, which will great help to the farmers. Central Railway, with the support of the coordination with the Andhra Pradesh state government, officers of the district administration conducted regular meeting with the traders and farmers in making them aware and the benefit of the rail transportation. So, I once again congratulate Honorable Chief Minister, other team, those who have worked here, and certain problems just now, Honorable MP has stated, the price is more for the railway and there is no much difference for the truck and the railway. That our team will study, railway board is studying on this. Honorable Sri Railway Minister Piyush Goyal every day, and Honorable Prime Minister is concerned about this. We once again study whatever the benefits for the farmers can be done. Definitely railway will take up the issues with the concerned people, and at a very competitive price the transportation should be made. So, for exporting also, the transportation rate is more important today. For to grow any industry, the transportation cost should be competitive, then only our industry and our agriculture we can export to the other countries. And the Anantapur is the one of the 7th largest district for producing the fruits and vegetables in the country. So this will benefit most of the other parts of the country, other states also. 95% of the produce they want to send it outside. Only 5% they are consuming for their district. Remaining 95% for transporting, the arrangements will be made by the railways. It has started now, trial basis, and coming days, as you said, it will be run regularly, but the coordination is more important. Our business development authorities are doing for this purpose in all the respect, and whatever problems you are facing there, please bring to our notice, to our local officers, our GM and our DRMs. They are with the farmers and with the people. Railway is the lifeline of the country today. So, railway in Andhra Pradesh, earlier it was very less, 4,910 crores was sanctioned. But after this, 5 times we have given the money under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister. Now, most of the electrification is taking place in Andhra Pradesh also. Once the electrification is completed, the cost of the transportation will come down. So, it will be useful for our farmers in the coming days. Not only farmers, including industry in other areas. So, today it is a great pleasure for me to be in this function as a Railway Minister. In this, I would like to thank Honorable Sri Narendra Singh Tomar ji, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy for cooperating all these Kisan Rails in the South India, from the South India for starting this. So, we utilize the services from South India to North India, the only instrument to join the people of this country, that is the railways. So, we are doing, and our senior Minister Sri Narendra Singh Tomar ji is a best advisor to each and everybody for us, and he is much concerned about the farmers. So, this benefit we must take to the each and every farmer of this country. In coming days, farmers should live with respectfully. So, this arrangement has been made. Today, I thank both the Minister and the Railway Department for arranging this. I request all the people, all the farmers to utilize the services. Once again, I wish the function grand success. May God bless everybody. Thank you.